It's been 1 week and we missed the 2 videos. There have been many calls and messages. Why did you miss? I was busy at some place and something that I would like to share today because that's a big learning for entrepreneurs. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I am here with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about skill development and business creation. And within this skill development and business creation, there is a very significant part of our society that work as nano entrepreneurs. Nano entrepreneurs are the people who are living at a small place and doing small businesses of kirana shops or beauty salons and many such. Though the big ones exist, but those small is a very big part of our economy, and I would like to discuss certain learnings that I had. The whole week I was busy in taking sessions and workshops on startup with nano entrepreneurs. There are two organizations. One is called IDEA, who works with Divyangs, and the other, Chopal, that works with women who are below poverty line. Both of them provide microfinance in the form of loans and in the forms of seed funding to the people, and they help them start their business or scale their existing business. While taking these workshops, I realized there are very different type of problems that these people have. Number one, they don't have any collateral for the loans, nor they do have any insurance. And if they do have, it is negligible. The access to the resources is very less for these people. And that is why they need to, or they work the way they have. They don't learn certain things. And because they don't learn, they lack skills or formal trainings, which let them make things in a very raw form. And those raw things don't yield them good earning, and those bad earnings becomes a viscous circle for them. And that is why the two organizations thought of providing them with the workshops on entrepreneurship, skilling and honing their skills so that they can improve their lives. And I was part of it. It was a wonderful experience over there. There were different cases. There was a person who has lost both his legs and his hand, one hand. I would say, I must tell you that he lost his right hand in an accident. And still, the courage, the grit that he had, many of us lacked. We talk about entrepreneurship in a big way, but that nano entrepreneur who is running his ready and selling the non-veg in a marketplace. And he was there to get more funding to increase the products that he could sell. Imagine what sort of grit that person has. And the last day, when we asked him how much seed fund do he need, though it was a nano funding that was being provided, and he said, I don't want fund. I'll grow myself. Now I have learned how to bootstrap the things. And that confidence, that courage that he exhibited is something that I find missing in many entrepreneurs. That confidence, yes, I can do. Because he said he was missing certain skills to market himself, to sell his product. The product was good, but the skills to sell better, to get more clients is something that he learned and he was ready to work on. We were fortunate enough to get his story and move forward. But yes, people like this exist. And at least the entrepreneurial skills are there with the person. We just need to teach them the business skills. The business skills is something which is different for different level of entrepreneurs. And being an entrepreneur, every one of us, we need to learn those business skills to market ourselves. Whether they are nano entrepreneurs or they are micro entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs, or the entrepreneurs in making. The skills need to be learned. Today is 23rd January and I'll be conducting a workshop on entrepreneurship, on business skills required by the entrepreneurs on 28th January 2023 at 3 p.m. If you want to learn the business skills to grow your business, to start your small business and expand it, to reach the market by bootstrapping your business. You may register yourself in the link that is provided below in the description. Be happy, be entrepreneurial, and live the life of abundance. And if you wish to continue your journey of unboxing more entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing, and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families, and fellows. Thank you.